Hello, my name is Andrew Parker, aka Aberca Andrew, aka Fella, aka Spider-Man, and today I'm going to do a blindfolded handcuff escape, and I'm going to be using a paperclip for that. Now, I've been practicing handcuff escapes for only one day, and I've never done it with a blindfold on, but I really want to do it, so here we go. Come handcuff me, please. Stay. Thank you. And here we go. Moved it. Technically, I can get my hand out. Guess that counts. Dude, where are you? Here. Yeah. Woo! Oh, that's bright. I didn't get this one all the way out, but I got my hand out, so I think that should count. There we go. That was fun. If you'd like to see more handcuff escape type content, make sure to check the description down below or click right here. I plan to do more content with these guys, like maybe an underwater escape with the handcuffs or a timed escape where I get punished if I don't do it fast enough, things like that. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you would like to see that. And one last note, these are not fake. These are police regulation handcuffs. And I have been practicing a lot. My fingers hurt. There are dents in my finger from where I've been pressing on these paper clips for so long over the past 24 hours. I have been practicing a lot. I want to get really good at this, and I just wanted to share with you guys me trying to do it while blindfolded and do it unedited and just let you see the whole thing. So there's that. But anyways, thanks for watching.